Happy Friday, beautiful souls, wherever you are on this phenomenal planet. It is time for Shift Your Thinking Daily, where we transform our inner experience to a phenomenal outer experience. For now, 10 minutes of our day, we do it together. Before we jump into today's message, let's go ahead and take a couple of deep breaths, move the energy around, release some tension if you have any, depending wherever you are in your day, beginning, middle, or end. Now's the me time. Conscientiously pay attention to your breathing. Join me. Breathe in and out. One more. Breathe in and out. All right, say hi, say hello, drop a comment down below. If you're new to me, welcome. My name's Lisa Puerto, also known as Super Agent. I'm an active licensed California real estate professional, creator and founder of many cool things, projects, curriculums, workshops, so much more. More importantly, this platform supports our nonprofit Real Estate 100 Youth Foundation, where we teach and seek to empower youth ages 11 and up with real estate literacy, terms, concepts, and careers as an alternate pathway to success. With that being said, you can learn more about what I'm creating and what I'm up to at lasuperagent.com. Go ahead and type in your email and hit that follow button, and that's a great way to stay up to date on what we have going. I do offer free trainings, presentations. Some are free to paid, depending the level and in how in depth I go into it. So you want to definitely check out what's happening at lasuperagent.com. If you're new to the show, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications. That way you don't miss any new episodes as I upload them. All right, we're getting closer to wrapping up Shift Your Thinking. We are on episode 192 of Dean Del Sesto, Shift Your Thinking, 200 Ways to Improve Our Lives. And this has been really, really fun. We are concluding close to now 200 episodes. I am going to caption this episode I am the prize. I am the prize, because that aligns with working to win, working on winning, consistency is key, all those different themes. I am the prize is a good one. I'm in a section where he says consistency breeds refinement. Refinement breeds more consistency. Hence, shift your thinking. I've been doing this now for 192 episodes straight. Shout out to all my radio podcast listeners, by the way, for growing with me. First and foremost, my family and friends for supporting my wild ideas. Without you, there is no me. So I love you, love you, love you. And thank you wholeheartedly. So he says, being better every day can be subverted by being different every day. He says, I love racquetball. It's a dynamic, fast-paced sport with more angles than a corrupt politician. He says, needless to say, like all midlife guys, I'm passionate about wanting to improve my play. So after another defeat by my racquetball partner, I took inventory of our games, and I noticed that every time we play, I'm trying something new. He says new shots, angles, positions, and of course, new variations in trash talk, none of which were working. As I was still losing and my game was improving at a snail's pace, by taking inventory of my game, he says, I was able to identify the shots that worked and the ones that didn't. That's so key. It's so funny because I was thinking about that this morning. You know, I've looking at a series of things to release. So I'm going to be covering for industry professionals how to podcast for free and get paid doing it. I'm going to do Facebook for newbies, Instagram and IGTV for beginners, and YouTube basics, all for industry professionals to get their message out there, to become an authority and increase their online presence. Because people have moved away from, really visiting the website. I mean, websites, really at this point, all you need is a landing page. Landing page to links, contact, because what you're trying to get is contact information. And so as I've been processing like what next to do and how to do it, I keep refining it, right? I'm learning to be both on this both online and offline, to reach my larger audience, but also those who are much more comfortable with the one-on-one. And that's what I'm learning. This is something new I'm adapting to. I've been very comfortable online, and now that I'm doing offline events for the first time this year, I'm hosting my own events. It's, I'm refining. I'm learning how to do it more consistently. I'm learning how to tweak my presentations, how to make it exciting. And so far, it's been fun, and I'm getting great feedback. And so as I think about, oh my gosh, there's tons of things I want to do, instead of packing them into this, which I was going to do. I was going to do a social media series called Happy Social Media. I might do that for people who want to rock with me for four consecutive weeks, or for those who would rather a la carte, I would do it in segments and focus, because really I think each one I need about a 2-day. So either I'm going to 2 hours, 3 hours, or break it up over a 2-day period. So I'm still working on that. That's the refining aspect of it. So I'll continue. He says, so I began to refine the 5 shots that were winners. I closed down the laboratory of shot making and began to refine the 5 key shots of my game. Not only did my shots improve, but I had more physical and mental energy to contend with the occasional surprise. He says, I was calmer on the court, more clear thinking, and began to win more often. Go ahead and drop that in the comment below. Win more often. He says there's something to be said for working on the winners by making ways to do those things that are proven, and eliminating those things that aren't. He says, I realize there are 4 to 5 things I do really well. In fact, I'm deadly in these areas and at the top of my game. They give my energy and produce. He says they give me energy and produce results. Go ahead and type in the comments, give me energy and produce results. He says, and I love doing them. He says, so why chase after alternatives to success? Perhaps the repetitiveness got to me a bit, but when I realized I could bring a new vision of refinement to what was already working, life instantly started working better. All right, short, sweet, and simple for this Friday morning. Just focus. Focus on what works. Keep your eye on the prize. How do we keep the eye on the prize? Focus on what already works instead of reinventing the wheel. And I am speaking to myself on this. Gosh, if this resonated with you, go ahead and press 1, drop a comment down below. Let me know how you have been enjoying Shift Your Thinking and any transformations that you have experienced since the start of Shift Your Thinking. All right, that's my time. Love you, love you, love you. Have a powerful and productive day. I'll see you tomorrow as we continue Shift Your Thinking. Bye.